come unbox with me. Let's see the different 8 accessories that this comes with. Here is a user manual, quick start guide, scouring pad, wool brush, which is great for furniture and carpet, sponge brush, small flat brush and corner brush, the bag, the main handle, USB charging cable, extender for the handle, absorbent cloth and dome brush, and this is the large flat brush which I will use in this demonstration. There are 2 settings, low and high, and you can easily store this away. Just put all the accessories in the bag and you are good to go. I love using the Pink Stuff Cream Cleaner for heavy duty use. It is a must-have and my go-to. Let's put this to a test and see how it works. Now I use a large flat brush to get the corners, and it works really well. This electric spin scrubber is rechargeable. It takes about 3 hours to recharge the battery. I love how it's cordless and waterproof as well. This electric spin scrubber brush is definitely a game changer for me in my daily cleaning routine. And here are the final results. It is so clean. I love this electric spin scrubber. And to disconnect, just push the button, pull it out. And same goes for the extender. All you have to do is turn it a little bit and pull, and it comes straight out. Super easy to use. I love this product. I would give this a 5 out of 5 stars.